everybody. Happy Saturday morning. Time and temperature check. It's about 0916. 40 degrees. We're coming up on the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. We're going across to the neighborhood of Olalla, Washington. If you guys don't know about the original Galloping Gertie, go to Wikipedia and read about the bridge that was designed, and that the high winds of this part of Washington State took out. It went to the bottom of this portion of Puget Sound. Anyway, I was sloshing around on Facebook Marketplace a few days ago, and I saw a 1953 Dodge Power Wagon. We're going to go take a look at that right now for my buddy out in Texas. So, I guess I'll add more video in a minute. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so I helped my buddy do the deal with the Power Wagon, as you saw in the still photos, and now we're just taking a tour of the area. It's pretty over here. There's some old buildings like this one here on the left. Wow, that one's really old. And it's kind of a windy road here, so I gotta be careful. But the seller was very pleasant, and the deal went smoothly, and another pretty rare 1953 Power Wagon is going to be saved. So that's it for this video. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Later.